Hey, Southern Cruisers here. We are staying at the Hampton Inn Nashville Opryland, and we are pretty much across the street from the Gaylord Opryland Hotel. They didn't have any rooms there. Sometimes it's very difficult to find rooms, and when they are, they're proud of their rooms, so it's very expensive. But we were able to get a room here at the Hampton Inn, and just wanted to give y'all a little insight on the hotel. They are in renovations until September of 2025. So with that in mind, there's a few little quags, but overall, I would say I'm impressed with this Hampton Inn.
Me too.
The food was good. The breakfast is like 6 to 10 in the morning. You cannot walk, or unless you're in for the long haul, from here to the Opryland Hotel. It is doable, but I will tell you,
It's a 20-minute walk.
It's a good 20-minute walk. So
You can walk. We just
in the heat, I don't advise it.
not if you're not in
If it's in the
business
fall,
suits in the
yeah, business
for a
suits and high
conference.
heels for a conference, I wouldn't recommend it.
Right.
Uber, Lyft, somewhere between $7, $11, depending on the day and the time. So that's one way. Some of the things that they do have diamond parking if you're a diamond member with Hilton. The lobby's nice. We actually got a room downstairs.
It's on the other side of that column right there. It opens up to the breakfast area.
Yeah,
Our
we got
room.
room 110.
Room 110.
And believe it or not, it was quiet.
You can
It's
see
part of the
that
renovation, yeah.
door out there. You can't go through. That's where they're busy doing construction and renovation.
The pool is still open.
I have a video of us at the pool.
Okay, yeah, the pool is still open. Rooms are nice. There's a lot of restaurants within walking distance of here.
We really like the pizza place.
Till 5.
Yeah, till 5.
Till 5.
They have
Pizza.
not just pizza, but Italian food. They
Great hole-in-the-wall place behind what used to be a auto track.
a go-kart track.
Go-kart track.
We
highly
have
recommended.
a short video about
Yeah,
that
yeah,
if you want
can
to.
check that out.
We'll post a
We
link
ate
to
at
it on
the
here.
Opry Mill, Opry Inn.
Backstage at the Opry.
Backstage at the Opry. Another good place. We didn't stay at that hotel, but as far as the Hampton Inn, even going under renovations right now, I recommend it and give it a thumbs up.
2 thumbs up. All right. This is the lobby of the Hampton Inn. It's really nice. Everything is kind of country music, not just country music, but Nashville themed. I like this chair, this guitar chair. It's pretty cool. It's the front door. We got the little pantry area. Last night we got the munchies and we got into the pantry and got ice cream and popcorn. So it was pretty cool. Sorry. There's part that's blocked off due to construction renovation. I think she said they'll be doing that all summer. Oh, there's guest laundry. Well, check that out. It's like $3 for a load of, each load is $3. Little business area. Like I said, it's a pretty standard Hampton Inn, but everything's nice. Everything feels like new. There's gonna be a party in here in a minute. There is a family reunion that's here today. This is going towards the pool area, which Kaylee and I checked out yesterday. Peek inside the fitness center. Pretty standard. Little fitness center. This is the pool. I'll edit in the video that I took yesterday from that. And that's pretty much it. Oh, there's no parking in the back during the renovations, but parking has not been a problem this week. It is within walking distance of some things. Depends on how long you're willing to walk. All right, back to the lobby area. And as you see, this is the breakfast area, and this, room 110, if you can get that, is our room. All right, here we are at the pool area. It's a nice pool. Nobody been out here, but they just now opened it. It was actually hard to get the latch open, and we had to get somebody to come out and open it. Let's see, goes down to 5 feet. Looks like 3 feet on the shallow end. Got their own pool towels. What do you think, Kaylee? Good or no good?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
Clean pool towels. Again, the hotel is under construction, so there's a lot of stuff going on in the back here, but we haven't encountered any problems. It's all good. So here we are at breakfast, and this is pretty standard fare. Today you've got sausage and potatoes, got little omelets, boiled eggs, waffles, all the fixings, oatmeal, and I think my toast is ready. Yeah, it's gonna be difficult to get out. Oh, it's not done. And we got drinks. Got your juices, your water, your milk. And we got our toast and everything. Okay, this will end our review. This is the inside of our room 110, which, as I showed you, opens right up to the breakfast area, which was kind of cool. Again, this is a standard Hampton Inn room, and we have, it's been perfectly fine for the three of us for a conference that we attended at the Opryland Conference or Convention Center. It's been fine, it's been good. I would recommend it. The price was good. Of course, we got music, art, got you a dobro up there. I think there's a banjo over on this wall. 2 queen beds. Oh, a nice size refrigerator, which is really cold. That was good. And a microwave, little K-cups, TV worked fine. We stayed on the first floor. That's the view out the room. Overall, would definitely recommend for a regular, little hotel room. Again, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, we do travel videos, travel reviews, cruise tours, hotel reviews, restaurant reviews, barbecue. Follow us on YouTube, follow us on Facebook, hit that like button. See y'all later.